For any drone pilot out there, this would be the one tip I would give you. It might save your drone and a whole lot of money as well. Hey, welcome to the channel. So nice to see you all here. So many new subscribers. I'm really stoked about that. Thank you so much. And thank you to Andreas who provided the B-roll for this little video. Okay, let's get to the point. If there's one thing I would advise you to do when you are flying your drone, no matter if you are a beginner or advanced pilot, I think you should do this because it can really save you some money and your drone and hassle and whatever. When you are planning your mission, you are gonna check the weather. It's a nice day out there, as today. You have checked the surroundings, you have checked everything's fine. You have done your pre-flight checks. You just take off, fly away, and then your drone dies. How could we avoid that? That's rather easy. When you are taking off with your drone, just let it hover for maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Listen to it. If there's some strange noises from the propellers, if there's a loose blade or something that isn't right, do little movements left, right, forward, backward, and just check that everything works. Because if you are having a problem like a loose blade or something like that, something mechanical issues, they most probably come up in the first 20-30 seconds. And it makes a huge difference if you are flying on 1 meter, maybe 2 meters, or if you have already shot up to the 100 meters or whatever the DJI MINI Pro, for example, climbs in a pretty good pace when you are flying in the sport mode. And if the propeller comes loose or the motor stops working at that height, yeah, good luck with that. Okay, today's video is just really one small tip. I don't want to waste your time. There's a nice skies out there. Maybe we can all go flying today. I hope you are enjoying your summer. We see you next time when I feel like posting a video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and goodbye.